and the same patterns occur over and over and over again. And this is the anatomy of these patterns. So step one, what we want to see is price bouncing off a level. So in this case, we can see price was bouncing here, bounce again here, bounce again here, bounced again here. And so what price is saying is that this is a level of support. And if we are at the high and we expect price to start selling, the moment we break that level, we are not coming back to that level. That is a very high probability. And so you can see that from all this, we have 1, 2, 3 breakout for the move down. We have 1, 2, 3. Price is consolidating at the low before breaking out, and then we catch our move. Price consolidates, breaks down, we have our move. So this is exactly the pattern that we will be diving deeper into.